group of lionesses is feasting on a buffalo, but a pack of hyenas, relying on their numbers, wants to steal the meal. They gather more members and stand in front of the lionesses, growling. But the lionesses don't seem to care about them at all. The hyenas stare at the fresh meal, drooling with hunger. Yet, they hesitate, too afraid to launch an attack. All they can do is watch as the lionesses enjoy their feast. Suddenly, the leader of the hyenas makes a bold move, taunting the lionesses. This immediately catches the attention of the pride. The battle is about to begin. One of the lionesses lets out a fierce roar and charges at the hyenas, but the hyenas outnumber her, and soon they surround her. They begin testing her defenses, looking for an opening. Quickly, they realize the lionesses are weak from hunger. To make matters worse, the pride includes young cubs that need protection. The lionesses stop eating and focus on the fight, but the battle quickly turns against them. Just then, a male lion rushes in to help. The sight of the powerful lion startles the hyenas. The hyena pack knows they stand no chance. One by one, they retreat and flee. Against such overwhelming strength, the hyenas have